Hey guys, I am Prajakta. Welcome to my channel. So in this channel we start the presentation on communication. So today's thought is learning makes happiness. Our topic is communication. In this video lecture we discuss about communication process and communication process of communication and types of communication and seven sense of communication. So we proceed. Communication. Communication definition. Communication is the act of transition, therefore, that is sending and receiving information between two or more devices. In simple word, we can say that it is a exchange and successful exchange information. In communication, two types present. First is sending information and second is receiving information. We say that is duplex and full duplex. For example, when we arrange lecture on YouTube, there is simplex only one direction communication and half duplex. And when we arrange meeting on Google Meet, then we call duplex communication because there in two sides are present there. So now communication process. In communication process start with the sender or communicator, who is something to communicate it with other, which can be idea, plan, information, fact, and any other. Then after encoding, then thereafter, the sender encode the message selecting the language which can receive correctly understand. The medium of expression can be speaking, writing, eye contact, facial expression, gesture, posture, etc. Third is message. Thereafter, the message developed by the communicator using the right side of word and language. The message is main element of entire communication process. Fourth is channel. Channel implies the carrier of the message, which can be face-to-face communicator, calling, video calling, letter, email, facial expression, message, body language, tone of voice, etc. 5 is receiver. 5 is receiver is the person to whom the message is directed, that is to whom the communicator or sender want to communicate. It is very important for sender to understand the receiver decoding, interpretation capacity and foreign effective communication. Next is decoding. The next step is decoding, which involves interpreted message from the receiver. After decoding the message, the receiver revert back to the message in the form of feedback. Next step is feedback. It is very essential part of entire communication process, as the include indicates there is no distortion of the message. And it is our next is also channel. For this purpose, the receiver wants what looks the channel as the same that sender communicated to the receiver. The communication regarded as effective when the message received and interpret the same sense that sender affected to convey. On effective communication is always receiver oriented rather than message oriented. The communicator makes sure the receiver interprets the message accurately or properly. We proceed for next, that is types of communication. Communication based on two types. First is the channel and second is purpose. In channel there are three types: verbal communication, non-verbal communication and visual communication. Verbal communication have two types: oral communication and written communication. Based on purpose, there are two types: for formal communication and informal communication. Formal communication divided into three types: that vertical communication, horizontal communication and diagonal communication. Next we see that the seven C's communication sense of communication, seven communication sense. So first is the clarity. First is the Clarity. Clarity of message is the first and important for effective communication. Hence, the language used must be simple and straightforward. Second is correctness. The message must be correct in the sense must be free that all grammatical and spelling errors. Third is completeness. Third is completeness. Concreteness means that the concrete of your communication must be tangential. Fifth is consciousness. You avoid the element, word, and details should in coherence. The points should be sequential and well organized and interpreted. Then, courtesy is the essence of communication, open and honest with the receiver. There are that is the seven sense of communication. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Hope all of you like my presentation.